Okay, now we got everything hooked up. Again, as you can see, nothing too complex here. We just have our track power and our basically A and B programming wires that connect to, in this case, just happen to be using Digitrax DCS50. This is a simple audio jack going in, and I'm going to go ahead and turn the system on so you guys can hear it. And by the way, the volume is very low on this. It is equipped with the subwoofer, all that kind of good stuff. So this is with a very low volume. Pretty good right out of the box. As I'll throttle up over here, you'll hear the sounds change. And this was for just the factory installed SD40-2. I like the sound. It sounds really good. This engine here, actually I can't hook it up yet because the decoder kind of messed up. But what I basically did when I did run it was just have the address within this engine. It's a non-sound mobile decoder. Just make it the same address in this decoder, and it would sync up pretty perfectly as you went back and forth. One of the things you can do very easily by having this switch here to change it is go to programming, and in this case for Digitrax, they have CV60 as the one of the CVs which controls which engine it is. In this case, the optional sound you can change it to, the first one we heard was this SD40-2, you can change it to actually a GEVO. So all you do is just go press 1, write the CV, and then you can exit out. And now when we flip back, you hear a very different sound actually. And if you can tell or not, but I'm going to turn up the volume just on my system. And we'll watch the engine run here in just a second.